the 5th of November 2009. At the end of today, Goldman Sachs stock was trading at $172.49, up by 1.76%. In October 2009, which is the end of their last quarter, Goldman Sachs reported that its third quarter earnings rose to $3.03 billion, which is a significant earnings compared to what it was doing last year with the financial crisis. Goldman Sachs earnings rose 73% from the depths of the financial crisis as income from the company's trading operations offset a drop in its investment banking business. Goldman Sachs earned $3.03 billion or $5.25 per share, easily beating analysis expectations for a profit of $4.24 per share. The bank earned $810 million or $1.81 per share during its fiscal third quarter last year, which ended in August. During the peak of the crisis last fall, Goldman became a bank holding company and changed to calendar quarterly reporting methods. Lloyd Blankfein, the company's chairman and CEO, said Goldman is starting to see a rebound across many of its businesses, even as the broader economy and consumers continue to struggle with rising unemployment and mounting loan losses. Goldman, which has outperformed other financial companies for the years, has been the strongest bank throughout the financial crisis. It has led exposure to toxic mortgage-backed securities than other companies and also has been more aggressive in its trading. I will now compare Goldman Sachs to the industry leaders. Goldman Sachs is ranked number 1 in the industry in terms of market capitalization with $88.03 billion. They place 6 as far as PE ratio with 38.51 compared to the leader of the industry with $189.20. The long-term growth rate for a period of 5 years for Goldman Sachs was 12.33%, placing them 13th out of 149 companies. And their return on equity for the last period was 4.33%. The dividend yield was also 0.8%, and they placed 45th out of 149 companies.
Goldman Sachs, even through these tough economic times and a recession most experts are saying is the worst ever, has managed to stay at the top of its competition. In 2006, it posted $70 billion in revenue with $9.537 billion in net income. In 2007, almost $88 billion in revenue with $11.407 billion in net income. And in 2008, mostly due to the financial crisis and the breakdown of the investment banking system, it posted a mere $53.5 billion in revenue with only $2.041 billion attributed to net income. While it has seen most of its competitors fall, Goldman Sachs has managed to stay alive, albeit with a little help from the Fed. With its $3.44 billion profit last quarter, Goldman has actually been able to begin repaying its debt to the government. The future outlook for Goldman Sachs is one of great potential and excitement. Brad Hintz of Bernstein Research wrote, "Goldman Sachs has the most powerful investment banking franchise and the most successful trading operation on Wall Street." And also adding that the new leverage limits are not expected to impact Goldman's trading performance. However, one minor negative to look at is the now much more regulated aspect of Goldman Sachs. By becoming a bank holding company and taking the bailout money, Goldman Sachs has become a much more government-regulated company, meaning a few things. They will no longer be able to take some of the high-risk, high-reward positions that have made them so much money in the past. And there will now also start being caps in place to regulate corporate executive bonuses and salaries. Some experts see this regulation as a sign that most investors will move into the hedge fund market in order to see higher profits. It seems as if the worst is past for the investment banking sector, and companies such as Goldman Sachs have the opportunity to rebuild and repair their operations to adapt and succeed in the new global economic environment.
before graduation can have a job at Goldman Sachs firm because they offer internship during the summer. After graduation or after being an intern, they can be a new associate or a new analyst. According to them, people are their most valuable asset. They offer them the opportunity to work with some of the world's most interesting, talented, and influential leaders, while their team-driving culture and rewards those who are talented. Their diverse and inclusive workforce provide access to other smart, interesting, achieving people on the world to become the next generation leaders. We believe that Goldman Sachs offers the possibility to move ahead more rapidly than is possible at the most of other firms. To apply for a job at Goldman Sachs, students have to post their resume on the website, which is www.goldmansachs.com/career. If they have the skill required, a member of the human resources will call them to schedule an appointment.